Hello, everyone. Welcome to JM Food Trips. This is Joe, and our topic for today is about retirees. Why are retirees leaving the West and moving to Asia? It's not what you think. In Asia, your money goes further. Rent, food, even healthcare, way cheaper. Fresh food everywhere. Markets, street food, seafood, cooked daily, not processed. Imagine waking up near beaches, mountains, or vibrant cities every single day. Warm weather, friendly people, and a slower, stress-free lifestyle. That's why expats say Asia isn't just cheaper, it's a better way to live. Come and join me in exploring the reactions and logic of many retirees who chooses to retire in Asia. Why expats choose to retire in Asia? More and more expats are choosing Asia as their retirement destination, and it's not just about saving money, it's about lifestyle, health, and quality of life. Here's some of the major factors. Number 1, lower cost of living and higher quality of life. Housing, food, and transportation are significantly cheaper. You can live comfortably, even luxuriously, on a modest pension. Dining out, healthcare, and daily needs cost less. Many retirees feel their money goes 2-3 times further in Asia. Number 2, fresh and affordable food everywhere. Local markets offer fresh fruits, vegetables, and seafood daily. Street food culture are cheap, delicious, and often freshly cooked. Less reliance on frozen or ultra-processed meals. Healthier eating becomes easier and more affordable. Number 3, relaxed lifestyle and natural beauty. Beaches, mountains, islands, and nature are easily accessible. Slower pace of life reduces stress significantly. Perfect for those seeking peace after years of busy work. Retirement feels like a daily vacation. Number 4, affordable healthcare options. Many Asian countries offer high-quality care at lower costs. Private hospitals are modern and accessible. Popular destinations even cater to medical tourism. You get good care without huge bills. Number 5, friendly culture and community. Many locals are known for hospitality and respect. Expat communities are growing and supportive. Easier to build social connections. You don't feel isolated, you feel welcomed. Number 6, warm climate year-round. No harsh winters. Outdoor lifestyle, walking, beach, markets. Better for retirees who prefer sunshine. Great for mental and physical well-being. Asia offers something powerful. Affordable living, better lifestyle, and healthier daily habits. That's why many expats say, we didn't just retire, we upgraded our life. There is a particular country in Asia chosen by most expats to retire. Why they love food in there? Again, why are expats leaving rich countries just to retire in the Philippines? Yes, you heard it right. Many expats chooses Philippines to retire. It's not just the beaches, it's the food, and English is a second language of many Filipinos. Imagine buying mangoes, bananas, and fish picked or caught just hours ago. In the Philippines, fresh food isn't luxury. It's normal. No long storage, no heavy processing. Seafood, straight from the ocean. Vegetables, from local farms or even your backyard. And the best part? It's cheap. You eat healthier without spending more. That's why expats say you don't just retire in the Philippines, you live better. Healthy foods are fresh, affordable, and natural. Many expats are drawn to the Philippines not just for its beaches and friendly people, but for its abundance of fresh, natural food. Here's why fresh food is a major reason retirees fall in love with the country. Number 1, farm-to-table lifestyle without the price tag. In many parts of the Philippines, especially provinces, food comes straight from local farms. Fruits like mangoes, bananas, and papayas are often picked the same day. Vegetables are sold fresh in local markets called palengke. No long storage or heavy processing. Compared to Western countries, this kind of freshness is more affordable and accessible. Number 2, fresh seafood. Anytime. Being an archipelago, the Philippines offers daily fresh catch, fish, shrimp, squid, crabs, and more. Coastal areas where seafood is caught and cooked within hours. Healthier options with less preservatives. Many expats say seafood is clean and safe. Number 3, organic and backyard growing culture. In rural areas, families grow their own vegetables, herbs, and fruits. Chickens, eggs, and even pigs are locally raised, less reliance on processed or frozen foods. Expats who move to provinces often enjoy growing their own food. Number 4, simple cooking equals natural flavor. Filipino cooking often highlights the natural taste of ingredients. Dishes like sinigang, sour soup, and grilled fish use fresh ingredients. Minimal artificial flavoring. Meals are cooked daily, not prepackaged. This leads to a healthier and more natural diet. Number 5, fresh food is budget friendly. Local markets offer produce at a fraction of Western prices. Seasonal fruits can be extremely cheap, sometimes abundant. Eating fresh doesn't require a high budget. Retirees can maintain a healthy lifestyle without overspending. Why these matters for retirement? For many expats, fresh food is a much better health. Less processed meals improves digestion and energy. Access to natural ingredients equals longer, healthier lifestyle. A quick takeaway: the Philippines offers a rare combination: fresh, affordable, and accessible food. That's why many expats say you don't just retire in the Philippines, you eat better and live better. Millions dream of retiring in a quiet place, but why are so many expats choosing Asia? Now you know why? Their first reaction was, I should have moved here years ago. They discover that life can be simpler, calmer, and more affordable. They're amazed by fresh markets, tropical fruits, seafood, and meals prepared every day. Instead of spending all their time working and paying bills, they have more time for family, travel, and hobbies. They discover something money can't always buy: peace, community, and a slower pace of life. For many expats, Asia is not just a retirement destination, it becomes their new home. Real reactions of expats retiring in Asia. When expats finally retire in Asia, their reactions are often surprising, emotional, and even life-changing. Here's what many of them actually say: why didn't I do this earlier? Many regret waiting too long to move. They realize they could have lived better years earlier. The common feeling: missed opportunity. My money goes so much further. Rent, food, and services are way cheaper. Some live comfortably on just a pension. Reaction: relief with financial freedom. The food tastes real here. Fresh fruits, seafood, and daily cooked meals. Less processed, more natural flavors. Their reaction: shock at freshness and healthier eating. Life feels slower, in a good way. Less stress, less pressure. More time for hobbies, walking, socializing, enjoying nature. Their reaction: peace and mental clarity. People are so friendly here. Warm hospitality in countries like the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Easy to build friendships. Their reaction: feeling welcomed, not alone. This feels like a permanent vacation. Beaches, mountains, and scenic views daily. Beautiful sunsets become normal. Their reaction: gratitude and disbelief. There are adjustments, but worth it. Culture differences, language barriers, and slower systems. But most say benefits outweigh challenges. It's more on adaptation and acceptance. The final reality: most expats don't just like retiring in Asia, they wish they did it sooner. From stress to simplicity, from expensive to sustainable, from routine to real living, it's not just retirement, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Retiring in Asia, the reality: not everything is perfect for expats. Let's talk about the cons briefly. After these, you can maybe decide clearer and perhaps proceed to balance the pros and cons deeper. While many expats love retiring in Asia, it is important to understand that retirement abroad also comes with challenges. A beautiful destination does not automatically mean an easy life. Number 1, weather and environment challenges. Tropical countries can have extreme heat, humidity, and rainy seasons. Some retirees struggle to adjust after living in cooler climates. Natural disasters can also be a concern in some areas. Number 2, language and cultural differences. Daily communication can be challenging. Customs, traditions, and social expectations may be different. Adapting requires patience and respect. Number 3, healthcare planning is important. Quality healthcare varies by location. Big cities may have better hospitals than rural areas. Retirees need to consider insurance and emergency plans. Number 4, financial reality. Living costs may be lower, but retirees still need to plan for inflation, currency changes, unexpected expenses, and long-term care needs. Number 5, legal and residency rules. Visa requirements can change. Buying property may have restrictions depending on the country. Long-term residency needs proper planning. Number 6, missing home and family. Some expats experience homesickness, feeling isolated, and difficulty building new friendships. A vacation experience is different from living somewhere permanently. These are the truth about retiring in Asia. Many dream of retiring in Asia. But is it really paradise? Yes, Asia offers beautiful places, affordable living, and amazing food, but retirement abroad has challenges too. Culture differences, language barriers, weather, and healthcare planning can surprise many retirees. A place that feels like a vacation for 2 weeks can feel very different after living in the country for years. The best retirement destination is not just beautiful, it's a place where you can truly build a comfortable life. How about you? What do you think? Comment below. If you are new to my channel, please click like, subscribe, and share below. Your free support will be highly appreciated. For more informational and adventurous videos, kindly click the video next to me. Join me in the next video. Thank you.